So I really have been waiting to come to this corner where you have padlocks everywhere for love affairs. That started well, and this is in Koeln, the Koeln Bridge. See, for example, this one has been here from 1958, so a lot of people have been getting married and coming to put their vows here, and it goes on and on and on. It's lovely. Yeah. It goes on there and on. That is amazing. I wouldn't know how I would remember my padlock when I left it here. All padlocks close to the river. Those are padlocks again, all the way from here They have Union Investment. Is it a Union Investment? Yes, we are team specialty, and this is everybody. I mean, this stretches from this place to that end. This is about a mile, and then it goes on to extend to the other side when you're coming back. So you can come in here, and when you love someone, you put your vows there, and then you look out to the sea. It's wonderful. This is Cologne. Where the love is. The love fell on people. This bridge. And the tied together their hands. Tied together their vows. Yes. Padlocks. vision. Yeah, I did enjoy. I enjoyed like Lone Dome. Yeah, that one there. Mercedes cars as a normal taxi. That's a tradition that's been there in Germany for a long time, and it's only recently been broken by cars like Isuzu, Mazda, but it's only basically